How to use vote buttons in Outlook. So here I am in the classic version of Outlook or the Outlook application for the Microsoft 365. So for example, I'll create an email right here. And then what I want to do is that I want to have a voting button right here so that the recipients can go ahead and vote for their preferred answer. So for example, I'll send this email to myself. And then I will also send it to my other Outlook account right here. And then from here, for the subject, I'm just going to put a test, or maybe I'll just put like a topic right here. So let's say the topic is restaurant choice for lunch out. And then for example, I'll create the email right here. Hello, let's have a lunch out together. Vote for your preferred restaurant right here, for example, like that. And then in order to add the vote buttons, you can just go right here to options, and then there will be an option right here that says use voting buttons. From here, you can click that, and then you have some default voting buttons right here. Like you have the approve and reject voting button, you have the yes no voting button, you have the yes no and maybe voting buttons. But if you want to have some custom choices right here or custom answers, you can click custom right here, and then you just need to turn on use voting buttons. From here, you just need to type in the choices that you want to have. So for example, let's say the choices for the restaurant that I want to have are Japanese, and then Chinese, and Filipino, and then let's add Italian. So in order to have the choices right here, you need to add a semicolon per each answer. And then once you're done, you can just click close, and then now you will immediately see that says that you added voting buttons to this message. And then when you click use voting buttons, you will now have your custom answers right here, or custom voting buttons. So yeah, we have the Japanese, Chinese, Filipino, and Italian. And then we can go ahead and send this email so that we can see how we can use the voting buttons. So for example, I click send. Now we should see that email in our send items. And then we can go ahead and see right here that this message includes voting buttons. So we just need to click here to vote. And then when we click that, we will now have the different choices right here. So we have the Japanese, the Chinese, the Filipino, and Italian voting buttons right here. So from here, you can just go ahead and choose the answer that you want to vote. So let's say I want to vote Italian. I can just click that. And then what will happen is that it will open this window. And then you have two choices. So it's either you send the response now. So you don't need to enter anything in your response. You can just send it immediately, or you can click edit the response before sending, and then we can click OK. So what will happen is that it will have an email draft right here, and then you can put your response right here if you want to add a response. But if you just select the other option, which is the send the response now, it will just immediately send your vote without any details right here in the body of your email. So for example, if you want to put like a reply message, and then you can just type it right here. So for example, let's have Italian for lunch right here, and then click send, and then immediately that email will now be sent along with your vote. So it will be like this. You will have the reply like this. You have the answer right here, and then you have the colon, and then you still have the same subject right here, which is the restaurant choice for lunch out. And then that is basically it. And then it will say that you have responded Italian, and then along with the date and time right here. And then that is basically it. So that is how we can use the voting buttons right here in Outlook. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.